Hi everyone, Mike Luzio here. You know this sentence, don't judge a book by its cover? Yeah, it's a little bit truth. Today we take a look at the TAMRON DISP 70-300 or 24 to 5.6. Alright. Combined with the Viltrox mount adapter EF to FX2 and 0.71x. This is a speed booster. This is not only an adapter, it's a speed booster too. So that means the f4 5.6 become 2.84. That's the main reason why I was looking for this little combo to get a nice range of 70 to 300. That's a lot. That's a little heavy and big, you know, like my it's a joke, huh? So it's a little bit long, it's a little bit heavy, but it's fine because that's a full frame lens. And for this focal length, it's not that much heavy. It's okay, and that's totally fine. That's totally normal. there are much things that bother me than the weight and the length. First, the autofocus issue, not of the lens, because I try with my whole DSLR, the Canon mount. The Viltrox adapter is not really great. I was looking for videos online and all the people was like, no, Viltrox, no. And I was like, I need to try it myself to see what it really does in real life. Yeah, it's kind of true. For the autofocus, no, the Viltrox with the Fuji, and especially this lens, because I don't have any other Canon lenses. The other I have is EF-S, so it doesn't fit in this adapter, so I couldn't try. With this lens, the autofocus is so slow. But you can do it in manual. And the other big issue is stabilization. You can hear the sound. What is it? I tried it with the older DSLR and it works fine. So this is completely the adapter fault. So yeah, something to keep in mind. But when it works, the stabilization works fine. You can really see the difference without the stabilization, and with the stabilization it works very great. But it's not always, so that's why it's so disappointing. Like the autofocus and the stabilization, the two main options we want, it doesn't work all the time. Like a girl, you know, sometimes yes, sometimes no, sometimes come on. But for the price, you know, once again, for the price you get what you pay for. So some weird things too with this combo in the computer. There are some images completely white. I don't know why this happened. I guess something between the adapter and the body is not working great. Finally, sometimes I am shooting and the screen becomes completely dark. You can see something because the lens become f22 or f50. You can see something in the frame, but it's really dark. So something to keep in mind too, the connection with the lens and the adapter is not working really great. the stabilization and the autofocus when it works, that's something magical. That's something beautiful, really beautiful, because it's a full frame lens, and with the speed booster you can really see the difference, the light and the details. That's a really great and sharp images. When it works, it's a really great combo. When it works, once again, when it works, it's like 60% good and great and beautiful, sharp, but 40% out of focus and very slow and not connecting good between the lens and the adapter and the body. So yeah, that's something to really keep in mind. I was looking for a nice zoom, but in the Fuji line you don't have much options. I was looking for something cheap. The Fuji 100 to 400 seems great, but a little bit expensive. And the 5540 2.8 seems great, but it's shorter to get birds and animals in general, so for the bird life and the wildlife, you know. So yeah, that's why I was really interested by this combo. For the price, this is nice, but there's so many downsides, so that's not for professional use, mostly for beginners, for people who just want to start, also people who have time to make a focus or to use manually. Manually it works fine. If you want to take pictures of birds, you have to take it fast, so that's not a really easy thing to do. A little hard. If you want to zoom, it's not really smooth. The focus is smooth, you don't have a lock, and when you zoom, sometimes you have the finger, you can accidentally change the focus. For video, that's not really good. It's not a cine lens, so when you zoom in and out, you have these changes in the light. But it seems to be a parfocal lens. It means when you zoom in and out, it keeps the focus. Something great. So that's a really nice combo, because 2.8 at 70mm and f4 at 300, that's something really beautiful to see, and that's a really cheap combo, and it's really surprising when it gets focus and when it works. That's really nice. That's a really good image. It was nice to have it. Will I keep it? Not sure, you know. For the price, nice bokeh, nice results. I was really happy, and I was really surprised when I saw the quality. That's a really good image, so that's why I made this video. Yeah, that's it for me. I hope you like this little video. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course, don't forget to enjoy it.